This was made by BlackSmith. It has no correlation with shadow systems. More than likely, though, this entire safe is going to get covered in firearm stickers because I have been collecting them for years now, and I have not had anything good to stick them to, but the safe makes for a good sticker. So, yeah, let's show you guys how this thing works, how to access it. There's two ways to access it here, so you can either do a digital code or you can do a fingerprint. And then there's actually a third way, which is a key that comes with two keys here. This is going to be your main compartment. There's also a top compartment up there. Top compartment is only accessible by key. Bottom compartment, though, has a lot of options. First off, let's show you the digital code. So, there's a magnet opener. And then, something just fell inside there. Probably should have stabilized it. No, okay. And then you can use your fingerprint. So I have my thumbprint on here. And one thing really cool about this digital display is it will remember multiple different fingerprints. So I'm pretty sure you could do this with the code as well, but I put my pointer finger on here and my thumbprint. So if you did have a wife or something like that and you wanted her to be able to access the safe too this way, you could put your thumbprint in. You could also put her thumbprint in, and then you both have easy access to the safe. So as you can see, I use my pointer finger now, and she opens right up. This safe is 57 inches tall, so it will fit a pretty large firearm. They advertise it will fit 6 rifles and then a minimum of 2 pistols here. So what I got going on here is I just put a whole bunch of different random guns in here just so you guys can get an idea of the different selections you could use. I did put a very large, this rifle here is a 300 Ultra Mag, and it has a scope on it, and it has like a 26-inch barrel. So if you're a hunter out there, you could definitely fit very large bolt-action rifles in here. And then inside the door, you have this little like shelf here you could put things. Then in the bottom down here, we have another shelf we could put things. And then of course we have our pistol bags here. This is a jackhammer made by Standard Manufacturing, and this is a Glock 19 Gen 5 with a 16-inch barrel, so I'm getting a little crazy here. You could probably screw another pouch in here if you guys wanted to, maybe move these over. You might be able to fit some more firearms. I did want to show you guys, though, this holds 6 AR-15 magazines. It will hold P-mags and then your aluminum magazines as well, so you could do that down here and up here. You could have a total of 12 AR-15 magazines loaded up in this safe. The safe comes with 2 of these. I have not screwed them in yet. I just got the safe, so I just haven't done that yet. But you can mount these any direction, twisted or whatever, however you need them. And then whatever height you need them, of course. The safe did come with screws that you could bolt these in. And then there's holes in the back of this safe, so you could mount it to the wall and then have this thing a little bit more secure. Obviously, mine's just jiggling around because I'm not really sure where I'm going to put it yet. And then you can also bolt it to your floor. There's holes down there as well. So yeah, a lot of different options there. One thing really cool about the safe is it's ran off 4 AA batteries. And the outside of the safe, this little digital display will actually tell you when your batteries are getting low. So it will warn you before you need to change them. But if you accidentally did let your safe run dead, there's multiple ways to get in here without using the digital display or fingerprint. Of course, you have a key you could put somewhere. Also, if you lose your keys, there is a C plug-in down here. So it comes with that as well. It comes with a C charger cord. You could plug this thing into your wall, and then that will boot this baby up, and you can access it and get in there and then swap out your batteries that died. So that's pretty cool. Now, one more thing I wanted to mention before we go is this safe actually has a built-in alarm. So it's an audible alarm. So if somebody's trying to access this with like a hammer or trying to pry the door open, it has sensors in it which will actually set off an alarm that you can hear. Then also, if somebody fails multiple times to either punch in your code or use your fingerprint, it will actually set off an audible alarm. So I'll just let you guys see what that sounds like. So let's just punch in the wrong code multiple times. As you can see, the alarm is going off. Use my fingerprint, it shuts off the alarm. This will also happen if you try to use a fingerprint multiple times and it fails. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Moving on to the top compartment here, this is only accessible by this key. Both your key setups, though, come with 2 keys, so you can hide them wherever, do whatever with them. As of right now, all I have in here is my Glock 17 gold nuggies. Most valuable things I own. No, I'm just kidding. As you can see, there's a lot of room in here though. These are Glock 17s and they have extended base plates on them. I was thinking I might just lean some pistols up in here like that, and I could fit probably like 12 handguns in here. That would probably be the best bet for me, but yeah, I guess you guys do whatever you want with it. If you're safe, you do what you want.